Hello, welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will learn a letter from the English alphabet. This will get us ready to read in English. Every letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn today's letter. Today's letter is the letter S. S says snake, and sometimes S says Z. S says snake, and sometimes S says Z. What letter is it? It is letter S. What does S say? S says snake, and sometimes S says Z. If you have been following, we use a salt tray to help us learn the letters. You will need salt and a plate or tray. Pause the video if you need. B. B says B. B, B, bat. C. C says K, 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 cat. D. D says D. D, D, dog. F. F says fish. F says fish. G. G says G, 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 goat. G says G, 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 goat. H. H says hippo. H says hippo. rainbow. J. J says J. J, J, jellyfish. J says J. J, J, jellyfish. J, jellyfish. K. K says K, 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 kangaroo. K says K, 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 kangaroo. L. L says oh, 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 ladybug. L says oh, 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 ladybug. L. Ooh, ladybug. M. M says mm, 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 mouse. M says mm, 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 mouse. N. N says mm, 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 newt. N says mm, 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 newt. N. Mm, newt. P. P says p, 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 panda. P says p, 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 panda. P, p, panda. Q. Q says qu, 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 quail. Q says qu, 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 quail. Q. Qu, quail. R. R says rabbit. R says rabbit. R, rabbit. And today's letter, S. S says snake. And sometimes S says z. S says snake. And sometimes S says Z. S. Snake. And sometimes S says Z. Thanks for learning today. See you soon.